Hi, this is Jumeirah Mosque. It's most famous masjid in Jumeirah Beach Road. It's a landmark of this area also. It's a really tourist point. मेरा मस्जिद है जुमेरा बीच रोड पे। एंड ये है दुबई मरीन बीच रिजोर्ट एंड स्पा। इट्स ऑन जुमेरा बीच रोड. It's the landmark of Dubai and most tourist point here. ये है जी जुमेरा बीच नॉर्थ. ये छोटा सा शॉपिंग मॉल है यहाँ पे. This is the small market here. It's like a box market. जुमेरा बीच. दुबई की ख़ास बात यह है कि यहाँ पे हर चीज़ बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइज है. इट्स अ क्लीन एंड वेरी क्लीन सिटी ऑफ UAE. So it's a really tourist attraction of the world. Hi guys, the most important thing in Dubai, it's very organized. If you want to really visit all the points, we're gonna give you all the information regarding that. You can travel most of the city through the bus or metro. There is all kind of transportation here, like bus, taxi, and metro, water bus, even helicopters, everything that you can afford. And you can like, it's really very nice. I'm living almost 18 years in Dubai. Come on, I'm really impressed about those things what is here. It's really beautiful. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Mer Beach. want to travel in Dubai through the bus, you need to download Google Map, okay, online or offline. So you can search where you want to go. When you search the location, then you can touch the option. You want to go with taxi, or you want to go with bus, or you want to go with by walk. So it will show you all the details in the description. So easy to travel in Dubai, whatever you can afford. Subscribe and press the bell button. We can help you to travel in Dubai. Please watch our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.